45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice, Trader Joe's pumpkin coffee review starting now. Hey guys, this is what I look like in the morning. I know I'm in oil painting, relax, but seriously, welcome back to the channel. This is how I sound, act, and feel first thing in the morning before I have my coffee. And yeah, let's get this going, please. Trader Joe's pumpkin spice. Finally woke up, made the coffee. So pumpkin spice coffee review coming up right now. I'm so tired, I can't describe it right now. I don't care because I haven't had my coffee yet, and that's kind of really important. So you're just going to pour this into the cup, Heidi. It's not that. It smells so pumpkin-y. I can't describe it. Like fall in my kitchen. And yeah, I'm probably normal in the morning, actually. I shouldn't drink coffee, but I can't. Not because it gets me going. I'm like incredibly calm and mellow, which is so unlike me. I should have known that was coming. It totally burnt my tongue. And you know, it's like burning your hand. And you're like, oh, it's burning my hand. Maybe I should put it in my mouth because it's not going to burn my mouth, when you know it totally will. But okay, just chug it out. It tastes really pumpkin-y, guys. I like it. If you like pumpkin, get this. It's really strong. Really, really pumpkin-y. I think I love it. Oh my god. Ooh. There's so many like flavors and spices. It's that you're not catching how dull the coffee beans itself might be. It's hard to pick up the flavor of the coffee because you're just getting all the spices. But I notice it. It's so delicious. It's very strong pumpkin-y. Because hello pumpkin spice. But yeah, I like it. I recommend it. This is really good. I don't know if I'd buy it again. I like coffee beans, so I'm not gonna like waste my time on a capitalistic company when I could be supporting local. It's like super spicy. Not like, it has very aromatic spices. It kind of reminds me of not like Indian food, Indian coffee, but like Indian cuisine, where it's just a lot of spices. It's got orange peel, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, ground vanilla beans, and pumpkin spice flavor. I like it. It's, yeah, it's got a lot going on, you know what I mean? It's kind of similar to chicory coffee, especially for being pre-ground. I'm kind of a coffee snob, so like I try not to buy coffee unless it's whole bean. And fun little fact, so if you guys ever buy like ground coffee or anything, a lot of like the coffee essence and oils have already been released, and it's not that flavorful versus if you buy like whole bean and you grind it yourself and be bougie like me. So it just comes out better. You release the coffee oils every single time right before you brew it, and then enhances the flavor of the coffee. If you're not like a coffee connoisseur or a food snob, then your sophisticated palate probably wouldn't catch it. I love coffee so much. You have no idea. I like trying new coffee, or like Brooklyn, New York. It just has like some of the best coffee. New York in general has really good coffee shops. I've traveled to like places across the world on the equator because the equator is the best place for coffee. And I know a lot about coffee. I want to continue traveling and hiking mountains on the equator, and maybe one day do something with like a coffee shop or granola bar. I recommend it. I only drink my coffee black. If you drink your coffee with other stuff, good for you. I don't. I think it'd go really well with pumpkin spice creamer, maybe. So I gotta catch the train and go and hopefully not miss it. Jade, what's up? If I'm running late, this is why. But yeah, so I hope everybody has a good rest of your day. Drink some coffee, drink some pumpkin spice, drink something, water, maybe. Look, I'm already getting like hyper. I just get hyper with the thought of coffee. I probably don't need coffee. Yeah, I'm like, I can make a commercial for Adderall, not coffee. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's all I gotta say. 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice. continue. Until then, have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching the videos. Bye guys.